Idiomatic expressions. Number 1. A chip on your shoulder.
Hey Anna, what's going on? You seem upset.
I'm mad at Sam. He said something rude to me.
Oh, I see. Sounds like you've got a bit of a chip on your shoulder.
A chip on my shoulder? What's that supposed to mean?
It means you're holding a grudge, feeling like you've been wronged and can't let it go.
Well, yeah. I feel like he was unfair.
I get it, but holding on to it will only make you feel worse. Maybe talk to her and clear things up?
I don't know. I'm still mad.
That's okay. It might feel better to talk about it when you're ready.
Maybe. I'll think about it.
Idiomatic expressions. Number 2. Hit the road.
Wow, I can't believe how fast time flew.
I had a great time today.
Me too. It was so nice catching up. I'd love to stay longer, but I must be hitting the road.
Already? I thought you were staying for dinner.
I wish I could, but I have some things to take care of at home. Well, let's plan to meet up again soon.
Absolutely. Safe travels.
Idiomatic expressions. Number 3. Caught it red-handed.
What's going on here?
I think someone has been up to something.
Sam, Anna, what's that on your face?
Nothing.
It's just, some ice cream.
Caught red-handed. You both had ice cream, didn't you?
Maybe, just a little.
We couldn't resist.
Well, you could have at least shared.
Next time, ask us first, okay?
Okay, promise.
Sorry, Mom, Dad.
Idiomatic expressions. Number 4. Jump the gun. Backslash.
Did you hear about Jane and Tom?
No, what's up?
Well, they've only been dating for like a month. And they're already talking about moving in together.
Whoa, isn't that jumping the gun a bit? They just met.
I know, right? It feels like they're rushing things.
Idiomatic expressions. Number 5. Cold feet.
How was sports day? Did you try the bungee jumping?
I was going to, but I got cold feet.
Oh, I see. Happens sometimes. Were you nervous?
Yeah, it looked so high, and I got scared.
That's totally okay. Everyone gets cold feet once in a while. Maybe next time you'll feel ready.
Maybe. I just didn't feel brave enough today.
Trying is what matters. I'm proud of you for thinking about it. You'll get there for sure.
Idiomatic expressions. Number 6. Miss the boat.
Did you get tickets for the Spider-Man movie? Nope, missed the boat. Oh no, all sold out now? Yeah, totally gone. Should have bought them earlier. That's a bummer. Spider-Man's always a big hit. For sure. I'll keep an eye out for the next show, though.
Idiomatic expressions. Number 7. Burn the midnight oil.
What's up with the inventory associate?
He forgot to enter the receipt of stock last week. So he's been burning the midnight oil trying to catch up.
Got it. Make sure he's not pushing himself too hard.
Will do. I'll keep an eye on him.
Idiomatic expressions. Number 8. Take it with a grain of salt.
Why are you talking with all the girls?
Oh, come on. Take it with a grain of salt.
But it makes me jealous.
You don't have to be. I'm just being friendly.
It doesn't feel good.
I understand, but I only care about you.
Really?
Of course. You're the one I want to be with.
Okay. Just don't make me feel like that again.
Promise I won't.
Idiomatic expressions. Number 9. SIT on the fence.
Which job offer are you going with? Or are you still sitting on the fence?
I'm still thinking about it, Mom. The job to sell SIM cards. I need to stand in the heat to sell. I worry about my skin getting too dark in the sun.
Might open up more opportunities.
Yeah, I know. The commission sounds great. But I don't know if I'd enjoy it long term.
You don't have to rush the decision. Take your time.
Idiomatic expressions number 1 once in a blue moon.
You know, we don't sit together like this very much.
Yeah, it's like a once in a blue moon moment.
Life gets so busy.
I had so much fun today.
We should go on picnics more often.
You really enjoyed it, huh?
Yeah. The food, the games, everything.
Can we do this like every weekend?
Well, we'll see.
Idiomatic expressions number 11 brainwave.
Train station is so confusing, especially with all the construction. Tell me about it. I always end up taking the wrong exit. Exactly. How I could get office from the station with all the detours. It's like they're making it harder on purpose. I have a brainwave. What if I just use my bicycle? That's a brilliant idea. It's only a few miles from the station, and I could avoid the hassle altogether. It would save you time. Yeah, and I could get some exercise. I might join you one day.
Idiomatic expressions number 12. A close shave.
Honey, you won't believe what I went through today.
Oh no, what happened?
I was driving down Main Street when a truck suddenly swerved right toward me.
What? That sounds terrifying.
We weren't hit, but it was a close shave.
I can imagine. Glad you're okay though. Some drivers are just reckless.
Yeah, seriously. It all happened so fast.
Idiomatic expressions number 13. A close-fisted.
You didn't get ice cream for your cousin?
Oh, come on, Mom. It was just one time. Besides, I didn't have any cash on me.
Aha. Or maybe you're just close-fisted.
I'm not stingy. I just think before I spend.
You're thinking way too much. If you can't even get your adorable cousin a cone.
All right. I'll make it up to her next time.
That's my boy. Always be kind to everyone.
Idiomatic expressions number 14. A cock and bull story.
You'll never believe what just happened. What? Spill it. I asked Mike why he bailed on our plans last night, and he gave me some cock and bull story. Really? That's totally unexpected. I saw his Instagram story later. He was at home binge watching some show. Unbelievable. He could have just told you the truth. Instead of giving a silly excuse, I would have forgiven if he had just told the truth.
Idiomatic expressions number 15. Keep your chin up.
Hey kids, how was your day?
I had a tough day at school. Same here. I thought I was going to fail my math test.
Remember, it's okay to have bad days.
Just keep your chin up.
Exactly. Stay positive and cheerful.
What can we do to cheer you guys up?
Maybe we could watch a funny movie tonight.
That sounds great.
How about I make some popcorn?
Let's enjoy the evening together.
I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English more, please subscribe to 2-Minute English channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.